tresuar. 1, 2, 3, 3.
Oh, hi guys.
Oh, it worked. Oh wait, it's kind of blocked out in the chat, but what? It worked. Yeah. Okay. Time to build a boat. I'm gonna make a new one.
Wait.
All right. So we're gonna make the front of it. Why am I not building anymore? So we're gonna make the front of it obsidian since it's hard and strong. Anyway, so we're gonna have to do that.
I'm gonna create
Yeah. So
the pillar for me of
we know that it's unequal. Hey! No, we're making an even boat. We're making an even boat.
Why don't we put a
That's kind of cheating, you know. I just kind of want to make like a pirate ship themed.
Okay, what should we put? Should we put those thrusters or the purple?
No, we're not neither. I don't want to do thrusters. That's kind of cheating. Purple is too powerful, and the other gray and black ones kind of don't work. If you have them, you suck. I'm just kidding. No, that was just a joke. That got bad humor. Anyway, join my private server. Well, you can only do that if you're my friend. Friend me on Roblox. There. Yeah, I said it. Okay. Friend me on Roblox. You should probably know my username. Hey, Hudson, delete that now.
Oh yeah, something happened.
I know, it's fine. I didn't actually mean it. So the golden blocks are also pretty. Dean? Whatever. He's gone. Are the strongest blocks in the game.
Okay,
Yeah. So just make the front. And remember, do you see how I'm organizing this? Like, each one is half a block off. Each one is, yeah, like that. Each one is, now we do it like kind of, oh, you only had one? Okay. As long as it's equal and like clean. As long as it's equal and clean. Okay, so I have one more, and then I need to place metal. Remember, we're going to color this boat afterwards. Yeah, the second layer is definitely going to be metal. You're out of metal, aren't you? Well, can you move? I'm building right there. There. He's gone. Yeah, let's go. He actually moved. See, I'm a master with when it comes to commands. Why are you playing Geometry Dash? I thought you were playing.
Can you move real quick? I need to place my
What?
Buck, I need to place my right there. Buck, I need to place my seat. Can you move?
No. I'll let you. Hang on. And also the back part. I need you to delete. This is just really okay. Whatever. I mean, you didn't really have to do that.
Anyways, it's hard to delete on mobile.
So the back is going to be tall, but that's the only part, and then like the rest is just going to pretty much only be windows. No, don't do that. Oh, you deleted your block, remember? So when you pressed... No, it's fine. It's fine. There. Just enough. On the very back. That's the safe spot. Yeah. Perfect. And then... Okay, sure.
Don't cover it completely.
I know, I'm making the roof. Kind of. Technically. It's not an actual completed roof, but... Wait, so that's not equal? You didn't equalize your... Or I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. Whatever. Anyway, so we need to do that. No, I can't do that. That doesn't work. Dang it. Okay. We'll be right back. Anyway, no. Okay, so we need windows. That would be good for glass. No. Anyway, glass.
Place windows.
What? Me? Oh, my games. Oh, yeah. I deleted them. I deleted them.
What game?
All my games. Play my games. Don't create anything.
What?
So we're gonna keep doing that. You don't need those windows because remember, this is just open space. It's just gonna stay like that.
Oh. Well, I'll just put
Get together.
Yeah, with a bunch of friends. Yeah, it's for the entire neighborhood.
It's for what?
The entire neighborhood. Like it's a party. There's a bunch of parties. There's this kid who's 22. I'm at 21 today, so there's a bar party because it says bars aren't open, so 21 alcohol. Yeah. And wait a minute. This would be cool. Torches on the back of the. There's that.
You gotta turn on the
3 torches. Look at that. Oh
lights so I can see what
yeah.
I'm doing. Just flip them all on.
Anyway, I really need to save this. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get rid of those. You gotta place them regularly because it'll delete all your blocks. You just gotta delete them regularly. Okay.
Now,
I saw that Dean Hudson got a new YouTube channel. What?
Oh, I didn't mean to place all those.
No, that's fine. That's pretty good.
Those ones are inside.
No. Wait, those ones at the front are the ones that are bad. Yeah.
that works.
I need you to delete them. Oh, and these.
Which one?
These
So
two.
what do they do? Just go from house to house?
Kind of.
Like it's called like a...
Like that. Perfect, Hudson.
This one.
Oh wait, that was my creation. So, all right, and then metal.
So where's Dallas?
He's at home partying with all the other kids.
The other kids?
Yeah, there's other kids.
I'll come out of metal.
Don't worry, I got your back. Is that like the smallest tick in the world? I can't get in. It's so high up. Here, I'll jump on the torches. Ow. Not actually. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute left. I know.
One more.
Let's go. Hurry up. All right. 3. Sit down. 2. Wait, I need to save this boat. Shoot. Okay. For this one, save. Yes. And then... Oh, I saved it. Thank gosh. Okay. The dog. This is going to have to go into a part 2. Sorry, guys.
Bye.
Whoa. All right. And bye.